water world. With anything just the slightest bit different ground into the dirt. That's Dalek sick. Do you remember? The cleverest Dalek ever, and look what you've done to him. Is that your new empire? Hmm? Is that foundation for a whole new civilization? Like Daleks? Just understand this. If you choose death and destruction, then death and destruction will choose you. Incorrect! We always survive! Now we will destroy our greatest enemy, the Doctor! But he can help you! The Doctor must die! No! I beg you, don't! Exterminate! Your own leader. The only creature who might have led you out of the darkness and you destroyed him. Do you see what I did? Huh? You see what a Dalek really is? Warning! Dalek humans show increased levels of serotonin! If I'm gonna die, let's give the new boys a shot. What do you think, eh? The Dalek humans, their first blood. Go on. Baptize them! Dalek humans, take aim! What are you waiting for? Give the command. Exterminate! Exterminate! Obey! Dalek humans will obey! You're firing. What have you done? You will obey! Exterminate! Why? Daleks do not question orders! But why? You will stop this! But why? You must not question! But you are not our master. And we are not Daleks. No, you're not. And you never will be. Sorry. I got in the way of the lightning strike. Time Lord DNA got all mixed up. Just that little bit of freedom. If they will not obey, then they must die! You did it. You're free. The Dalek humans are failures! Destruct! 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 They killed them rather than let them live. An entire species. Genocide. Only 2 of the Daleks have been destroyed. One of the Dalek Masters must still be alive. Oh, yes. In the whole universe. Just one.